Hey, 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 y'all, hey, y'all, hey, y'all, hey, y'all, what's up? My name is Mimi, it's Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little old me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe for my oldies but goodies. Y'all know I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all. Hey, what's up, the incredible squad? Sound off in the comment section below. Let me know you are in the building. You already know from the title what we are here for. Okay, so I am trying out a new product. Alright, it's the Pydana Collection. And I did a product haul of all of the items that I bought from this company. I can't even talk. Alright, so I will link it in the cards above or in the description down below. But today I am using what Pydana calls the Moisture Loc Kit. I'm looking down on my notes so I can give y'all the correct details. Okay, so the Moisture Loc Kit consists of a leave-in, a cream, and an oil. So the leave-in is the Pydana Collection Avocado Herbal Silk Leave-In Conditioner. This is how it looks right here. And this is a nourishing lightweight formula. It says that it's gonna replenish moisture, detangles, and add shine. Okay, and some ingredients that it has is, of course, avocado, it has aloe, it has water, it has pro vitamin B5, and the list goes on. And let's see the consistency of it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, see y'all? It's not too thick. Okay, it's nice thin. Reminds me a little bit of like a nice hair lotion. Okay, so I have this already in my hair. And for my cream, I use the Pydana Collection Marula and Cupuacu. I think that's how you say it. It's their Herbal Silk 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. This is how it looks. Boom. Okay, and this says this holds 2,000 times more moisture than shea butter. It's for dry, damaged hair. It defines twists, improve manageability, adds body shine. It's for natural, relaxed, and transitioning hair. So this is good for all hair types, y'all. That's really good. All right, and some ingredients that it has water, it has Cupuacu butter, it has olive oil, it has Marula oil, avocado oil, it has beets in it, rice, and the list goes on. I'm going to show you how it looks. All right, sorry guys, my lights is bright, but it's a nice creamy whip type of consistency, and it smells good. It smells really good. It's like not anything overpowering. It's like a nice light fragrance, but I mean, I don't have to have all of my products heavily fragrant, so I like it. So what else? And the oil is from, of course, Pydana's collection. It's their Luscious Locs Herbal Silk Hair Oil. Okay, it's right here. And this is nice and lightweight. You see how lightweight it is? I'm gonna pour some on my hand. Very lightweight oil. Okay, really, really lightweight. Okay, so y'all, so this is the Moisture Loc Kit, and I'm going to use, well, I have used my avocado leave-in first. Then I used the Marula Cupuacu 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer, and I sealed in all that moisture with the hair oil. I did everything, like the back and this part, off camera. Y'all already know how we roll. But I have, you know, this section right here. I'm going to do some of it on camera, not all of it. And y'all, I had bought this product September when did I buy this product? I think I bought it last year, May, around Memorial Day. So last year as in 2020, and right now we are in 2021. So that's crazy. That took me almost a year to finally use it. So I think that's because I have so many products and I'm trying to get rid of or use up the products that I already have open. And I also have made a video called products that I have to get rid of or use up, so definitely check that out. So you will see the products that I'm currently trying to, you know, get out of my stash so I could open up these brand new products. But I did get through majority of those open products, so I'm really proud of myself. So that's why I was able to open up some brand new products. So I have a new water bottle, y'all. Look at her. A nice light spritz. I'll leave the link for this water bottle I got on Amazon. It was dumb cheap. I got like a box of 6 for the low, y'all, because I go through water bottles. I be losing them and everything. So that's why I was like, I need to get a lot for the low. So I'm gonna let y'all know exactly where I got it from. Put that link down below. Y'all already know how we do, because you know we family. All right, now let's get to this here, because I've been, you know, running my mouth just a little bit too much. So I'm gonna, you know, just spray this down a little bit. A little. I love this water bottle. It's so easy to use, and it sprays just the right amount of, you know, water. What else? So yeah, it's just plain water. It's not my aloe. It's not my fenugreek water. I've been lazy, you know. That's why I haven't been using that. Plus, when I want to do my hair, I don't have my water and everything ready. So I'll be like, you know what? It's not like it's plain when I be doing my hair. Like, this is not a plain hair day. I'm supposed to bend in my hair. But anywho, I sprayed the water. I'm going to apply the Marula Cupuacu 3-in-1 Intense Moisturizer. Okay, on top of that. Ooh, you see them curls popping, Tim? You see that? Boom. Just with a little old H2O. And plus I got the leave-in, so it's reactivating the leave-in that I already have in my hair. But yeah, boom. Okay, I'm going to add maybe like this much. Like that much. I don't need much for this little small piece right here. And I just rub that in. Like I always tell y'all, rubbing all your products, rubbing everything, rubbing the water, rubbing everything. Okay, so you have to make sure your hair strands absorb everything. Ooh, this here is deep. It's not even a frame. But yep. Now, I have my little water down here in like a little bowl. You may hear it in the background. Now I'm going to detangle. I can't see, these lights are so bright. Oh yeah, I got a ring light. Yeah, I finally got a ring light. I got a ring light maybe like 2 months ago. I got a ring light. So I'm happy about that. Y'all can see me better. Y'all would not, what's the word? Y'all would be surprised what I was using for light before I got this ring light. Y'all probably be telling me that it's probably ghetto what I was using, but I think it was creative. All right, if y'all want to know what I used before, let me know, and I would definitely do a video about it, like what I used to start my YouTube channel. I may just do that anyway, because I mean, it's like some people think that y'all need like ring lights and stuff like that, and y'all really don't need all of that. Just use what you got to get what you need. That's it. All right, I'm gonna add this hair oil. All right, a little bit. That's it, because I don't got that much hair over here. It's like a little small section, so I'm gonna use all this oil. And yep. Oh y'all ain't see how this comb just glided through that little piece of hair. Like before I put it, that cream, It was not gliding. And that cream does have, you know, some slip. Now I'm about to, you know, twist this up. But yeah, that cream does have some slip up in it. So it's a nice light smell, nothing too crazy. It has some slip. But do I like it? That's the question that we need to answer at the end of this video. I'm just telling y'all a few properties of this hair cream right here. The hair oil does smell amazing. Maybe it's the hair oil that I'm smelling. I'm gonna see right now, because like I mentioned, this it's a very light smell. Yep, it's definitely the hair oil that smells amazing. It smells amazing. Sauce sure does. So that's one. And y'all, do y'all see what I'm doing? Turning these ends, turn them ends, and boom. And how does this smell? I think this has like a nice light oil too. I mean, light, nice fragrance. Yeah, light, nothing crazy, but that hair oil smells like everything. I'm so hyped. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do one more on camera. Okay. One more twist on camera. Wait a minute. I'm gonna be in the same row. See, look, I can't find what the twist I was gonna do. I think it's this one. I'm all over the place, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to do the same thing I did to the first twist. So this one right here. I'm gonna wet it. You know the routine. And do what I do. Okay, wet this. Spread in the oil, the water. So you got to get it wet. See, I like my hair, you know, fairly wet. And then I'm gonna take off this water off my hands. Take off the water with water. Wipe it on with my shirt. Okay, I'm gonna get some cream, like this much cream. Rub that right up in here. Y'all, aren't y'all happy? I got all my supplies today. Normally I gotta stop the video, get my stuff, but today I got all my stuff. Yep, I'm doing better. Getting prepared. Then we're gonna comb this, you know. Make sure it's nice and detangled. Okay, here. Okay, that's everything. Boom. And this stuff just melts in my hair strands. Like, what? This product is not sitting on top of my hair. Not at all. I'm about to put this oil up in this hair and twist it, and that's gonna be it. Not for the video, but I'm gonna do everything else off camera. Come back, give y'all my final review of the product. Okay. For my incredible squad, y'all already know how we do. About to twist this up. Okay. And those of you who didn't see my Pydana Collection haul, let me know what products that y'all want to see me review from that video. Okay. Of course, well, what do I have? I have like a shampoo from them. I'm looking at my stuff right now. I have some more stylers, like 2 deep conditioners. So just let me know which I want to see me review. Okay, and I will get that to y'all as soon as possible. Cause I did use both of their deep conditioners off camera. I used another styler off camera. It's part of their Kiss collection. But yeah, y'all, just let me know what y'all want to see from the Pydana collection. Okay, so that's 2 twists right there. I'm gonna get off because y'all already know how I twist. Y'all know how I do. When I come back, my hair will be all done, and I will give y'all my final review of this product. So I will see y'all later. Hey y'all, I am back. This is the end of day 3. Yes, day 3 here, and I have, you know, flowy hair, bouncy, juicy twist, and the definition is on point. Okay, yes, point. Okay, so let's go over the cons and the pros of each product. All right, so this Avocado Herbal Silk leave-in conditioner from Pydana Collection, it claims to be lightweight, add moisture, detangles the hair, and add shine, and this product did all of that. Okay, and I like a product that tells me what it's gonna do, and it actually does it. So I'm happy about this product right here, and I used it about 4 times, and I still have a little bit more than half left in the bottle, so this is gonna last me a while. This is a must buy. Okay, so check them out. I will leave the details to their website down below, and that's the only con, is that you have to buy all of these products on the website. That's the only con. All right, so the next product is the Pydana Collection Marula and Cupuacu. Listen, I'm gonna leave this product down below. It's the 3-in-1 Intense Moisturizer. Okay, and this product right here claims that it's going to give you 200 times more moisture than shea butter. I don't know if it was 200 times more moisture than shea butter, but all I know is that this product gave me so much slip and moisture. I don't know if it was 500, 1,000, or more. All I know is extremely moisturizing and hydrating for my hair. Okay, it also says going to define twist. Okay, add body, add shine, make it manageable. My hair is so butter soft. This stuff right here is a must try, and I believe this said that it's gonna do what it do in my hair. Okay, because me and Florisha, we are satisfied with this product, and this is a must buy. Okay, must buy. The only con, like I said, is that you must buy it online. That is it. But this right here is a must buy. Y'all should have saw that comb just gliding through the hair. I was like, what's up in here? Like, really? But anyway, on to the next product. It is the Pydana Collection Luscious Locs. Okay, the hair oil. All right, and this hair oil smells wonderful. Like this stuff right here. Oh my god, and it locks in that moisture so good in my hair. You could use this for a pre-poo, hot oil treatment, and a deep conditioner. I'm not using it for no hot oil or deep conditioner because I don't want to rinse out the wonderful goodness of this product. I'm gonna leave it in my hair and lock in that moisture from the products. Okay, so the only con, like I said, this is only available online, but the good thing is they be having sales, y'all. They be having sales, so y'all need to subscribe to their mailing list, their text alerts, follow them on Instagram. This is not a sponsored video, but I really enjoyed this set right here. This is called the Moisture Loc Kit, but you may buy these products separately and, you know, buy other products on their site. But y'all, I really enjoyed this Moisture Loc Kit by Pydana Collection. These results, like I said, it's the 3rd day, the end of the 3rd day, and my results don't lie. My results don't lie. Me and Florisha is so happy about these products. So let me know down below if you like my results, if you would try any of these products, and that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. As always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo. Bye.